So we'll start with what we call the matrix. The matrix is where we assign, over in the upper left-hand corner of your screen, is where we assign the input channels that are coming in to go to certain output channels. So as an example, this particular system has Digistar left channel coming in here, assigned over to the left speakers in your theater. The Digistar right speakers come in here. They don't go to the left speaker. You'll notice that's dots not highlighted. And then you'll notice they do go to that channel does go to the right speaker. The Digistar center channel comes into center, not left nor right, but goes to center, out the right. And the left surround channel comes not to any of those channels, but it goes to the left surround. And the Digistar right channel goes to the right surround. Now, most of your theaters have an auxiliary mixer where we bring in things like CD players, live microphones, and those things to give you more inputs at a very affordable price. The left and right outputs from the mixer at your console are fed to the left and right speakers in the front of the theater, if you notice, not to the center channel, but they are sent to the subwoofer so that your CD, walk-in music, and so forth go to the sub. And then the left surround and the right surround also have your mixer channels going to those so that you have music in the rear of the theater. And then we actually, in our programming on the interface, there's less audio going to those rears from the mixers so that it's balanced. Depending on your theater, the next channel might be used for something such as 7.1 or a Zenith speaker. In this particular example, it's not used. And then you'll notice there's one that says ALS, and that's for your assistive listening transmitter or your multi-language transmitter. At some sites that might say English, and this one might say Arabic as an example. By clicking on these little buttons like I'm showing you here, you can determine which sound goes into which channels on your assistive listening system. And you'll notice it's typical that we would have your left channel, your right channel, your center, not the subwoofer, probably not the rears, and your mixer so that they can hear your live microphones. We'll get to the ALS mix in a minute, but that basically is the matrix mixer that we include with every system.